I know, right? I told you I was going to bring you to one of the absolute best butcher shops ever.
I'm glad you brought your credit card too. Because we should load up. We should load up.
You can't not when you come to Gary. How are you, mate?
How you going, Mike?
Yeah, good, really good.
How are you going to choose?
I usually get swayed one way or the other when I actually come and see what he's got every day.
How could you not? Okay.
I love veal, absolutely love a veal cutlet. 4 of your finest veal cutlets, please.
No problem. I'll go and get them for you.
No worries, thanks, Gary.
Yep.
Thinking about doing a crumbed cutlet.
Yeah.
Really simple slaw, like cabbage, some radish for a bit of pepper, for a bit of spice.
Yeah, right.
Some olive oil, really neutral in the salad.
Yeah.
Just to freshen it up, just to cut through some of the richness of the meat.
Okay, cool.
What are you thinking with wine?
Something punchy, kind of mirroring what's in your slaw.
Yeah.
You know, a white wine with punch, bit of verve, bit of kind of nervous energy to it. So how about we go something like a GRÜNER VELTLINER, so a bit of an Austrian kind of homage.
Love.
And then with a red, something fruit-driven, something fragrant, something easy. McLaren Vale Grenache.
Nice.
That's what I got in mind.
Nice.
Here we go, Mike. 4 beautiful veal cutlets for you.
Thank you so much, mate.
Thanks very much.
Cheers.
Bye.
So you may hear some background noise today. If the builders are good, I'll look after them a little bit later for a little taste.
You've got a bit to do here, yeah?
I've got a little bit to do, which is why I'm cracking on. Yeah, a little bit to do. I love a veal cutlet, absolutely love it. But I love it crumbed. Like, I love the texture you get, because it's such a soft meat. It's like almost butter on your palate, you know? So I love crumbing it, so you get that contrast. So the dish I'm doing, veal cutlets, and I'm just gonna do really simple slaw with it. Like, when I say simple, some sliced cabbage, sliced radish, olive oil, lemon zest, that's it.
Okay.
Really fresh, really simple, okay? Because I want the meat to be the star.
The freshness of that slaw kind of helps lift the richness of the crumbed panko,
Absolutely.
right? Okay.
Can I get you to do me a favour?
Yeah,
just before we get onto the wine.
Absolutely.
Hold that open.
Look at me rushing to pour the wine, so.
Oh, mate, please do.
I've never seen, okay, little bag. This is cool. I've never seen this done before.
It's a nice way of doing a pane and then not covering yourself in the egg and the breadcrumb, because you then just dip.
I'm going to pour out some white wine while you do that. It's funny you mention your coleslaw and how it's got zing and energy and pop and freshness. It's exactly what I've gone for with the white wine that I've got.
Awesome.
So I've got a GRÜNER VELTLINER, and this is from the Eden Valley in South Australia. So Grüner's a variety that comes from Austria.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of going schnitzel-y kind of, do you know what I mean?
Absolutely.
That's my link here.
It's like you've done your homework on what I was cooking, eh?
Which, to be honest, of all the recipes we're doing, this is the one that excited me the most. Because like you said, who doesn't love a good old schnitty, right?
Absolutely.
So I reckon that this Grüner will be great while you prepare, and I think it's just going to add that pop and vibe to the finished dish as well. So
beautiful.
I know you're a bit busy here, so I'll pop yours there anyway.
Tell me a bit about what you're doing with Wine Selectors, because your delivery service now is incredible. I absolutely love it.
We are all about bringing an experience to your doorstep.
Yeah.
Now, whether that is for you who wants to expand their cellar, someone who wants to expand their knowledge and education on all things wine and Australian wine regions, let's be honest.
I think that's the thing which I absolutely love about it, is you're taking the work out of it. You know, with it being subscription-based, with it being a different delivery each time, the menu cards and the tasting notes to go with it, you're giving people the information if you want it.
Yeah.
If you don't want it, you're still just taking the fuss away.
Exactly. And I think that's what people want these days, right? They want to know the provenance, they want to know the people who grew the grapes, who cared for the veal, who, you know, made the eggs.
Absolutely.
Made the eggs, grew the eggs, farmed the eggs.
Farmed the
perhaps.
eggs.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We're interested in that story, and for us, that's our real passion in telling that. So
awesome. Like you can see, look at the colour of these now as well. They're just slowly browning away in the butter here.
Yeah.
I'm just going to finish sealing off the other two and pop them in the oven just to finish cooking.
Magic.
And then we'll be ready to get onto the tasting.
Perfect.
Simple slaw, mate.
It even looks punchy though. Great flat. Got great colours. Do you know what I mean?
Great colour, inviting with the eyes. Just super fresh. Do you know what I mean?
So you had a bit of lemon, bit of salt, and olive oil. That's it, yeah?
And olive oil. Lemon is the key component all the way through this, just to cut through the richness of that veal.
Yeah.
A little bit of lemon just in the pan at the end as well, just to finish off that sauce.
So that's my kind of vibe with the wine too. I'm looking for a wine that's really racy, really kind of energetic, got a real verve to it, like the lemon has, a real brightness and freshness. And while you were doing your mise en place, I was doing a little bit of my own. I've poured a snappy little glass of Grenache.
That's a cute label.
From McLaren Vale, our friends Beck and Richard at Pertaringa. And this is a bright, fruit-driven red wine. And to me, I think it is just going to let the veal kind of shine without kind of muscling in and getting all over the top of it.
Oh, let's get stuck in,
yes,
mate.
let's do it. Can I try a bit of your popping slaw? I'm a big fan of radish.
I love radish. It's just a natural seasoning.
It's got personality. Got vibe, right? I'm hoping the wine purveys that same kind of experience. So that's what I was going for.
Oh, so juicy, so moist.
That's damn good.
Simple.
That's
simple.
So good.
Quality meat from Gary's, of course.
That is so good.
And that, whoa.
I'm going to take that right now and just go. This is heavenly, mate. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cheers.
Pleasure. I'm going to go on to the red now.
Cheers.